bankrolled on torturing me with the sound. This is a continuation of the red, silver, or red and white jet, but they're out here doing sound cover-ups all around me. They bankrolled on torturing me. I don't know who they listen to, that I'm an idiot and that I'm some weak ass. So now they're out here doing cover-ups. Everyone knows what they did, but I don't think people really understand what it was like. And this guy's just going for it out here. So, in consistency and context with the theme, last evening, there he is. Last evening and today now, the second time when this plane is out here doing these excessive rev turns. I'm gonna cut and save.